If you want to automate abandoned cart emails without using Shopify, and you're tired of bloated tutorials that never get to the point, this video is exactly what you need. I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and by the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up step by step without touching Shopify, and with access to an exclusive free trial of the software I recommend, just for viewers of this channel. Here's the deal. Abandoned cart emails are one of the easiest ways to recover lost revenue, but most tutorials assume you're using Shopify. What if you're using WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, or even a custom-built checkout? That's where this software comes in. First, sign up using the exclusive link in the description. It's a free trial that gives you full access to the automation tools we'll be using. No credit card needed if you're using my link, and again, it's exclusive to this channel. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the automation or workflow section. Look for the abandoned cart trigger, or create a custom trigger based on a visitor starting checkout but not completing it. Most platforms detect this using browser behavior, cart cookies, or email capture events. This software does that out of the box without needing Shopify. Next, create a simple workflow. Set the trigger as cart abandoned, then add a delay of 30 to 60 minutes. After that, add your first email. Keep it casual, remind them what they left behind, and include a button to return to their cart. Use dynamic product blocks if your platform supports it, so the email auto-populates with the actual items. Now, add a second step to your workflow. Wait 24 hours and then send a follow-up email. This time, you can add urgency or offer a small incentive like free shipping or a discount. Again, use personalization, it works. Want to go advanced? Add SMS follow-ups or push notifications if their contact info was captured. This software lets you do that too, no Shopify required. You can even track recovery rate, open rates, and tweak based on results. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. You don't need Shopify to send abandoned cart emails. You just need the right tool that integrates with your existing checkout process and lets you create smart, timed workflows. This software does all that and more, and the free trial link in the description is your way to test it risk-free. Quick recap. Sign up using the exclusive free trial below. Create a new automation with the cart abandonment trigger. Add your emails with dynamic content and smart timing. Optionally add SMS or push follow-ups for better recovery. Track results and optimize. Don't overcomplicate this. Set it up once and it runs on autopilot, recovering money you would have lost otherwise. I recommend you take advantage of the free trial link in the description while it's still active. It's the fastest way to follow along and see results today.